How to add LinkedIn link to resume in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add LinkedIn link to resume in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Canva resume and just make sure you keep a place for LinkedIn. So I'll just type in LinkedIn right here and I'll open my LinkedIn. Now you can open up your LinkedIn as well in another tab. Go to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Now all you have to do is head over to your profile. For that, tap on your user icon on the top right, then tap on view profile. Now, as you can see on the top URL, that's your profile's icon URL, which you can simply copy. So press Ctrl C and copy and come back to your Canva. Now, after you select the text that is LinkedIn, you'll see this link option. Tap on it and paste the link. Then tap on done and tap on done again. And that is basically how you can add LinkedIn link to resume in Canva. And that is a clickable link which you can use and check. And that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.